Hello, my name is Miguel Morales and I'm the warranty specialist here at VS Seating. And today I'll be doing a quick demonstration on how to assemble a chair that arrives in the partial knockdown packaging. Feel free, with the timestamps listed below, to jump ahead to any section you'd wish to jump to. So now let's get into opening the box. You're going to be cutting open the H tape. And there are going to be staples in here, so what you're going to do is grab the middle of the box, lift it up, open the flaps completely. The first thing you'll notice is that there is a top box in here. It'll have two openings. Just grab that and lift it up evenly to release it. And we'll set this off to the side. This contains the back. The next thing you'll notice is that there is the base up into this front section over here. We'll set that off to the side as well. Next, you'll see that there's a little box off to the side, which does contain the casters for the chair, the gas lift, and the provided tool per order. Setting that off to the side. And then the final thing that you should be able to pull out is the chair with the arms and control attached depending on your order. We'll just set that off to the side.
With all the parts taken out of the packaging, bags and boxes included, what we're going to do is grab the seat and then place it on our work surface. You can also do this on the floor as well. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the 13 mil hand wrench out of the box, and then I'm just going to place it off to the side, ready for use. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to grab the back by and the reinforcement plate is already installed. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the hardware. That's just pre-threaded. Making sure we don't lose any components. We're going to move our hardware to a place where you can access it and then place the reinforcement plate close by. What we're going to do is we're going to take the backrest and then it's going to sit underneath the control tilt piece, lining up the three pieces of the location for the hardware. We're going to grab our plate and then line them up so we can install the hardware. Now you're just going to hand thread to make sure that we don't have any cross threading occur. Making sure that all three locations are clear. Now with your 13 millimeter, what you can do is you can go ahead and tighten them down. If you'd like, you can use your personal tools using a 13 millimeter socket. We set it at a medium setting 2. This just makes sure that we don't go over 15 foot-pounds of pressure to prevent any damage to the components, to the hardware. Now with all the hardware snugged, what we want to do is we just want to make sure that we give it one last little turn to make sure that all of the components are well fastened. What we're going to do is we're going to take the gas lift and insert it into the hole in the control. And then from there, we're going to grab our base, which I've installed 4 of the 5 casters. Just taking the caster and inserting it. Now with the chair completely assembled, what we're going to do is we're going to grab the gas lift and the backrest, and we're going to take it off of the work stand. So now that it's on the ground, this is the position that which you would be assembling the chair if you were building it on the ground. What you're going to want to do is take your left hand and grab the backrest, and then the front of the back, and you're just going to lift up the chair to the upright position, and now your chair is ready for use.